Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Ford Puma in grey. This stylish compact SUV is powered by an efficient 1.0-litre petrol hybrid engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. When looking at the front of the vehicle, it benefits from projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights to ensure the road ahead is always illuminated, complemented by the stylish rear lights to ensure that you are always visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these stylish 5x2-spoke black machined finish 17-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Moving into the rear of the cabin, we have the stunning cloth upholstery with your Isofix anchor points there, which are perfect for securing those child seats. When moving into the vehicle's spacious boot, it has ample of room inside for the daily essentials, and your back seats do also fold down to 60-40 splits, supplying even more room. Moving into the front of the cabin, the same upholstery is on the front two seats as the back, continuing the stylish look, and we get a glimpse here at your steering wheel. Your steering wheel also is multifunctional, where you can answer a phone call and decline a phone call with as easy as a click of a button. And ahead we have your digital display, where as you can see you can change the drive mode of the vehicle from a vast range of modes depending on your journey that day. Looking over at the infotainment system, you can explore all of the radio options available or connect your own devices into your own music or to make and receive those all-important phone calls. Navigation is provided to ensure that you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and you can connect through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. Your driver assistance settings can also be adjusted via the infotainment system. Reversing sensors are also provided to make manoeuvring easier than ever. Moving down, we have your easy-to-use climate control and a USB charge port to ensure your device is always charged up, and seamless smartphone integration. There we have your automatic transmission and your drive mode button. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Ford Puma in grey. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.